Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Buds, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this Buds. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just to simply open the charging case of your OnePlus Buds. Next you have to open notification bar, then click and hold the Bluetooth icon to enter the Bluetooth settings. And right now when they are connected we have to click and hold this button. So let's make it. Click and hold and just keep holding. When this indicator is blinking on the red color, we can simply release that key, and when we try to connect them, as you can see right now, they will removed from our phone, right? As you can see right now, they are not connected, they are only in the available devices, so we can simply pair them another time. And basically that's how you can hard reset and remove them from your phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.